I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious salmon sushi using an easy method. First, let's prepare our sushi rice. Rinse 2 cups of short-grain sushi rice thoroughly until the water runs clear, then cook it with 2.5 cups of water. Once cooked and still warm, gently fold in a mixture of rice vinegar, a tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This gives your rice that perfect sushi flavor and texture. Next, we'll get our main ingredients ready. For the best results, always use 4 ounces of fresh, sushi-grade salmon, sliced into thin, even strips. Then, prepare your fresh vegetables. Slice 1/2 of a ripe avocado thinly and cut 1/4 of a crisp cucumber into small, consistent strips. These fresh fillings will add wonderful flavor and texture to your homemade sushi rolls. Now for the fun part, assembling your rolls. Place a sheet of nori shiny side down on your bamboo rolling mat. Moisten your hands slightly and spread a thin, even layer of seasoned rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving 1/3 bare at the top. Arrange your salmon, avocado, and cucumber fillings neatly along the center. Then, roll the mat tightly, applying gentle, even pressure to form a perfect roll. Finally, it's time to slice and enjoy your beautiful sushi. To get clean cuts, always moisten a very sharp knife with water before slicing each roll. Carefully cut each roll into 6 to 8 equal-sized pieces. Arrange them artfully on a plate. Serve your freshly made salmon sushi immediately with traditional accompaniments like soy sauce, pickled ginger, and a touch of spicy wasabi for a truly authentic experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.